In a small village, there lived a student named Ahmed. He was hardworking, polite, and full of dreams. His biggest dream was to become a successful officer and support his poor parents. Ahmed studied in a government school. Every morning, he walked several kilometers to attend classes. At night, he studied under a dim light because electricity often went out in his village. Despite all these difficulties, he never stopped trying. One year, Ahmed appeared in an important exam. He was confident, but when the results came, he failed. His friends laughed at him, and some relatives told him to give up. Ahmed felt broken, but deep inside, he believed failure was not the end. The next year, he worked even harder. He avoided wasting time, focused on his studies, and learned from his mistakes. Again, he took the exam and again, he failed. This time, even his own mind started telling him, maybe you are not capable. But his mother placed her hand on his shoulder, said, success comes to those who continue walking, even when the road becomes difficult. Those words changed Ahmed's life. For the third time, he prepared with complete dedication. He woke up before sunrise, revised every subject carefully, and stayed patient. Months later, the result day arrived. His hands trembled while checking the result. This time, he had passed with excellent marks. Tears filled his eyes. The same people who once laughed at him now praised his determination. Ahmed realized that success is not about never failing, it is about never quitting. In a crowded city, there lived a boy named Bilal. His father was a small tea seller who worked day and night to feed the family. Their tiny house had broken walls, old furniture, and very little comfort, but Bilal carried a very big dream. In his heart, he wanted to become a doctor. Every morning before school, Bilal helped his father at the tea stall. He washed cups, served tea, and cleaned tables. Many people looked down on him and said, poor boys cannot achieve big dreams. But Bilal never argued. He simply smiled and continued working. After school, while other children played games, Bilal sat in a corner with his old books. Sometimes he felt tired and hopeless, especially when he saw wealthy students with expensive academies and modern facilities. Yet he reminded himself, my situation may be weak, but my determination is strong. One winter night, heavy rain started falling. Water leaked through the roof of their house, and Bilal's books became wet. He sat quietly, trying not to cry. His father noticed his sadness and said, "Son, difficulties are not sent to stop you. They are sent to test how badly you want your dream." Those words became Bilal's strength. Years passed. Bilal continued studying with patience and discipline. He failed in some tests, faced financial problems, and often heard discouraging words from others. But every failure made him work harder instead of giving up. Finally, the day came when the medical college entrance results were announced. Bilal had earned one of the highest positions in the entire city. The tea seller's son had become a future doctor. People who once mocked him now proudly spoke his name. Bilal proved that success does not belong to rich people only. It belongs to those who refuse to quit. There was a boy named Hamza who lived in a poor neighborhood. His father worked as a laborer, and his mother stitched clothes to support the family. Life was difficult, and many days they barely had enough money for food. Hamza loved education deeply. He believed that one day his studies would change his family's life forever, but there was one big problem. There was no electricity in his house most nights. While other students studied in comfortable rooms, Hamza often sat outside under a streetlight with his books. People passing by would sometimes laugh at him. "Do you really think sitting under a streetlight will make you successful?" they mocked. Hamza stayed silent. He knew that arguing wastes time, but hard work changes lives. Soon, he received a scholarship to continue higher education. The same streetlight that once witnessed his struggles had now become a symbol of his success. Hamza later said in an interview, "Darkness around you cannot stop your future if your mind is full of light."